Where we go? And with scallops, I needed something. Hot dogs. Asparagus, of course. Now, let's see what this is going to be all like. Scallops, obviously delicious. And for the price you get them at down here, amazing. Now, I love my asparagus. I also love broccoli and other things. Now, now my hot dogs, I coated with a little bit of the hot sauce my cousin gave me. This is Dawson's hot sauce, XXX ghost pepper mash. Let's see what happens to the. See, I put it on my hot dog here. Let's go for it. Wow, that's spicy, but you can enjoy it. You don't like it. Oh, you can feel that in the throat. Right to the pit of the old Gulliver. It's enjoyable though. That's the thing. It's hot. My God, it's ever hot. But you can enjoy it. Not like some of them hot sauces of it. Oh, there it is. Hubba hubba. XXX. Ghost pepper. That's the stuff. Wow. Remember, stay tasty, my friends.